Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Hannah, back with another video, finally. First of all, I just want to say thank you for clicking on this video. I'm gonna try to keep it short. I'm also about to go catch a workout class, so I'm just gonna make this quick, but I really wanted to post a video and say, so yeah, I'm back. I'm about to start posting often again, like twice a week at least again, and I'm really excited. I want a change. I kind of took a break. I needed to take some time to myself. To be honest, I just kind of got to the point where I was just like in a rut, like creatively. It kind of like felt really draining, and I was kind of getting in a negative headspace when it came to my channel and views and like things that, you know, like I really don't care that much about anyways, you know, like I don't know, I had to get refocused on like what I want to make and what I want to say, you know, like what my message is, because I felt like I kind of started getting caught up in things that don't need to weigh me down. Like I let them, and I don't even know if this is like making that much sense, but like I don't know, I kind of started to have an unhealthy relationship with my YouTube channel. I started to have anxiety around social media. I'm still battling that every day, but I'm doing a lot better now. And like I'm so lucky to be able to take a break like that. Anyways, I don't even really want to talk about that so much. I'm just saying I'm gonna change like everything. I'm still gonna do like makeup videos, obviously. Love that. I want to do fitness videos because I am starting to go to the gym every day. That's something I just committed to like yesterday. You know, it's good to commit to new things, new routines, and like I don't know, I've just been feeling a new like inspired wave, like after just like getting some solitude, which isn't good for me really, like to have so much solitude. That's kind of what my anxiety drives me towards, is like to just shut myself out from the world and like I kind of just hold the world in my head, which I've been learning lately learning lately that I need to like get out of my head and into my body in order to like release that anxiety. And so like I really recommend like working out if you're struggling with anxiety, or do something that really gets your blood pumping. And like there's no time to overthink, there's no time to think about things and worry about things, and you just feel like you're really living in this body that you have, I don't know, and like treating it well, and it just puts on a whole new like self-image kind of whenever you like start working out. But yeah, so that's what I've learned in the past couple days. I had a great Thanksgiving. I went to Maryland with Abel and his family, and I loved them. It was amazing. I'm just giving you guys kind of like an update now. I have been sick, so like if I have to like like that a lot, there's like still some stuff in my throat and just in my like sinuses. Like I'm congested. I'm a congested girl. Yeah, I don't know, I have a lot of ideas though. And oh, I cut my hair or got it cut. I didn't cut it, thank God. It's not like super clean right now or anything, but it is like a long bob. If you guys have been keeping in touch with me on the gram, you know what's up. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't, by the way. I'm trying to grow that thing. I've been a lot more active on it lately. So I'm about to go work out. I gotta be there at 5:30 and it's 5:11, but I really wanted to just film this, and it feels so good to just like talk to the camera again. Yeah, and Vlogmas, obviously I haven't been doing Vlogmas the past 3 days. It's December 3rd, but I don't know, is it acceptable to just make like vlogs during the Christmas season and then just call it Vlogmas, even if it's not like consecutively like every single day? Is that okay with y'all? Hang with Hand Vlogmas is, or should I just call them Vlogmas? I don't know, but I haven't just been sitting around doing nothing for the past month, okay? I have been working very intensively on something with my sister Kendall, and that's, I don't know, I'm not gonna say that much about it because I don't want to give it away, but it's going to be ready hopefully by next spring. I'm really rooting for this next year, 2019. I think it's gonna be a really great year for me. Actually, I know it will. That's what we gotta say to ourselves. It's gonna be great. I'm putting a lot of my money and time into this thing. Both of us are. We're going half and half on it, and we're just really excited. And so I have been working on getting this thing going, and yeah, but like by next March, I really hope it's ready to launch. I hope you guys love it. I know you will. Yeah, I should probably get going, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm gonna make things that I would want to watch, you know, and like that's always been the goal. Yeah. Okay, this video, I've already been filming for too long. I gotta get ready to go work out. You guys wish me luck. It's a body pump class, so it's like full body workout, like lifting weights and shit. Okay, but yeah, wish me luck. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this once again. Live in the solutions of the future, not the problems of the past. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video, which will be very soon. I also want to do more like winter fashion videos. Yeah, just tell me what you want, whichever I want. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.